So it's a little while since I've been to the Smithery website, but actually it's really cool. They've got this like auto install kind of a thing that you can do, and so if I grab this prompt here and I'll go into VS Code, I can't show on screen the prompt because it'll show the API key. So you'll just have to yeah, all right. So what I can do though, okay, so because I'm using Vimeo to record the video and I don't know how it blurs things out. Anyway, so if I make a new terminal and then I'm going to paste in the command that it gave me. So I'll just pause the video for the moment. Okay, so I pasted in the prompt and it installed it. It asked a couple of questions like, did I want to share data? Anyway, here is the DuckDuckGo MCP. Like, it's installed. All I did literally was paste that command into the terminal, press enter a couple of times, and then a couple of times more to confirm, what is it, data collection, and did I want to restart Roo Code. And then I still restarted Roo Code, restarted the extensions manually, which either you could just close VS Code, or I installed an extension that lets me press this button to reload it, which is convenient. And it's there. The MCP server is there, and it's done. Like, I don't have to do anything else. I just had to run that command, which is just like, it's just fabulous. It's so much easier than like every other way that I've had to try and do it before. So yeah, like that's super cool. I don't know, it may not work with every possible MCP server. I honestly don't know what. I've only tried a couple. Like I've tried now DuckDuckGo, and I tried Context 7, and I guess at some point maybe this will cost money, but I don't know. Right, it just worked. I'm assuming lots of these other ones would probably be similar. I don't know if there's some that will work and some that won't. I think if it says like remote, then that means it can work. Yeah, it seems really cool. I'm going to try some more and see what else I can get to work, because this looks really, really cool. And it's just easier than anything else I've tried to do before, for sure. So, give it a go.